Today, we're going to be learning about the alphabet from Grumpy Cat. Does Grumpy Cat look happy or sad? He looks so mad. Let's find out why Grumpy Cat is so upset. Time to learn the alphabet with Grumpy Cat. Do we have to? A is for ants. A is for awful. Ants are awful. Everything is awful. I hear the ah sound when I say ants. Ants. I also hear it ah when I hear awful. Let's find out what else Grumpy Cat's bothered by. B is for butterfly. Beat it, butterfly. You're boring me. Can anyone hear where the b sound comes in? Good. It comes in with butterfly and boring. Grumpy Cat does not like butterflies. C is for cactus. I'd rather hug a cactus than continue. Would you rather hug a cactus? I don't think so. They hurt. I hear the k sound when we hear cactus. K. D is for dog. Dear dog, just don't. We hear the d sound when we hear d. Dear dog. E is for eagle. Enough already. Can we just skip to the end? We can't do that, Grumpy Cat. We're not even halfway through the book yet. So we hear the sound when we say eagle, and when we hear end. F is for fly. Forget that. F is for frown. Is Grumpy Cat frowning? That starts with an F. Frown. G is for geese. Go away, geese. You make me gloomy and grumpy. Got it? Good. We hear the g sound when we say geese, gloomy, grumpy, good. H is for hedgehog. If you're a hedgehog and you're happy, I don't care. Is that very nice, Grumpy Cat? We hear the H sound when we see a hedgehog and happy. I is for iguana. I don't care, said Grumpy Cat. J is for jam. Is this a joke? I still don't care. That iguana is eating jam. J. Did you normally see an iguana eating jam? I don't think so. K is for kitty. Kitty, you're killing me with kindness. Look how sweet the kitty is. Grumpy Cat, she needs to cheer up, doesn't she? We hear the k sound for K when we see kitty and kindness. K. L is for ladybug. Ladybug, leave me alone. We hear the L sound when we see ladybug. Can anyone see where the ladybug is on the picture? Right there. M is for mole. It's also for mood. Mine is grumpy. Aw, poor Grumpy Cat. We hear the sound for M for mood, mine, and mole. N is for newt. No, newt, no. Next. These newts look gross, don't they? O is for owls. Is this over yet? How many owls can we see? That's right, 3. P is for pokey. Please poke me when this is over. Poke, poke. We hear the P sound for please and poke. Grumpy Cat looks very unhappy, doesn't he? Q is for queen. Buzz away quickly. Then we see the Q sound when we say queen and quickly. Can anyone find the queen bee? Yeah, right here. R is for rabbits. Really? This is getting ridiculous. S is for squirrel. Stop it. And we hear the S sound S when we say squirrel and stop. T is for turtle. Turtle, the end is too far away. Now we hear the T sound when we say turtle and the. U is for unicorn. Ugh, unicorn, save me from this ugly hat. Do you think Grumpy Cat's hat is ugly? We hear the U sound when we say unicorn and ugly. Is that a pretty unicorn? Let's see what's next on Grumpy Cat's list. V is for vulture. I'm very tired. Very, very tired. We hear the V sound when we say vulture and very. W is for worm. When can I go to sleep? We hear the W sound when we say worm and when. XYZ is for forget it. Goodbye. So for the activity, I'm going to be doing an I Spy kind of game where I'll give the students a letter and they will have to find some items that I've placed around the room. We won't be doing the entire alphabet because it is long and I want to make it manageable for them. So I was thinking we could do like a cluster of words. So for example, if I asked them to find something in the room that started with B, with B, they could find a bear and bring it to me. And then they would have to say what this is called. So if I say, someone find me an item that starts with B, they would bring this to me and they would have to say bear. Or alternatively, if we were doing R, we could do rabbit. So that's how I would do that. Hopefully it would teach them how to identify initial sounds in words and be able to expand their vocabulary as well.